Hey guys, I'm JW Roberts, and this video, me and Llamas Are Cool and Gingery, we went outside and we put this snow sled down. It was really raining outside, and we have this part of our yard that goes down, and there's a huge river that keeps flowing down it. And we put the sled at the top, and it goes all the way down. It's really cool. But before we do that, I just want to tell you guys I am starting a schedule on my YouTube channel, so you guys just won't be like, when is he gonna upload? I will be uploading at 5 p.m. every Monday and Thursday, so that keeps you updated on when I'm going to post a video if you have no idea. Every Monday and Thursday at 5 p.m. so that's when I'm going to be uploading. So it'll be every Monday and Thursday at 5 p.m. So that's my schedule, and now let's get right into the video. That sounds pretty cool, doesn't it? Shoes?
Cankles. I mean, I wear them every day.
This video. We got soaked out there. I wasn't even wearing boots. I was just wearing shoes. Luckily they were not dirty play shoes. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you could check out some other videos over here and also subscribe to my channel. Again, new videos coming out every Monday and Thursday at 5 p.m. so you never want to miss it. There's gonna be some epic videos coming soon. So go ahead and subscribe and check out my other videos over there, and we'll see you later.